Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. There are just a few things we need to tell you before you arrive, so you know what to expect. Firstly, please make sure you check your allocated arrival time at the marina. You will find this on your booking confirmation. When you drive into the marina to begin your holiday, you'll be met by a member of the team at our check-in kiosks. They'll run through some initial checks with you, including asking you to confirm that you have watched our series of short safety videos. Your safety is important to us, and you will need to sign a declaration to say that you have completed and understood these videos. Then, they'll radio to check if your cruiser is ready and direct you to the quay where it's moored. At the quay, the lead booker and party will be taken through the trial run, and you will be provided with buoyancy aids, which must be worn whenever you are on board your cruiser. Our team member will assist you to fit your own buoyancy aids and ask parents to fit those of children. We'll then walk the lead booker and party through the controls of the cruiser and let you know where you can access all our safety and best practice guidelines at any time during your trip. The trial run will involve a river run, where we will help to ensure you are confident with the controls and steerage of the cruiser, and which will include a practice mooring. Following the in-water trial and instruction, you will be asked to confirm that you feel competent to safely take control of the boat. After that, you'll be ready to unload, and the team will advise you where you can leave your car for the duration of your stay. And we wish you a very happy holiday. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.